So what are you guys about to do?
He's gonna let me fly it.
He's gonna let you fly the gasser. Yeah! Damn, Charles. You got some balls, man. Christian, you nervous?
No, he knows.
You're not nervous?
No.
Let me see your legs. Sit still. Stand still, I'll see it in your legs.
Real quick. You can burn as much as you want.
Right.
And then you got what you gonna do?
Rates.
That's it.
Okay, cool.
He checked them, don't
It
crash.
floats to land, man. You saw I killed it on the last one.
yeah.
Because sometimes it will just keep on wanting to fucking keep on fucking going.
My legs are shaking. He likes that. Good luck. Good luck, Christian. She looks so beautiful, man. Christian, have you ever flown a gas-powered plane? Okay. Whew.
Don't worry about the timer. I didn't reset your outfit.
Ooh, butt pucker.
Low throttle, it will choke out that smoke. Well, I don't have it super high right
Flip it over here in just a second.
now. Yeah.
Man, that's fucking low rates.
If you want to do stalls and cover, you can just kill the smoke.
Man, I'm sorry. It's pretty bad.
Glue won't help that.
No, you can't.
Charles, John said it'll buff out.
Yeah, just put some dirt. Rub some dirt on it. It'll be all right. I'll see if they'll sell me the fuselage.
Bad boy.
If they'll sell me just the fuselage,
He says it's not your fault.
I'll go to the
It's your fault.
And I was one behind the sticks.
It was your fault. And it's going on YouTube now. Hey guys, Desert Air Dudes here. I hope you enjoyed that video. That's RC for you.
Unfortunately, this is the nature of this hobby. Sometimes crashes happen. I was able to work it out with the owner of the airplane, and I'm going to pay for part of the repair. He'll have it back in the air soon enough. Thanks for watching.
Adios.
Come back soon.